A massive bomb cycle slams into New York. Blizzard conditions, relentless snowfall, and life brought to near standstill. What meteorologists are calling a bomb cycle rapidly intensified off the east coast, bringing heavy snow, strong winds, and dangerous travel conditions. The powerful winter system exploded in strength within 24 hours, triggering blizzard warnings across parts of Northeast. As snow continues to blanket New York City, sidewalks buried, cars covered, and visibility reduced to half. Sanitation crews and residents are seen clearing pavements as snow piles up rapidly. The storm has severely disrupted air travel, with multiple flights delayed and cancelled nearly empty terminal, as airports struggle to operate in severe weather conditions. But amid this disruption, some tourists are embracing the rare spectacle and finding the cyclone a perfect one to see snow.
I think that's a very special moment. I haven't seen so much snow in 15 years. And coming here, I just actually woke up early this morning to come here to Times Square and see this craziness. I don't know, it's crazy also to see it so empty, but it's nice and special.
We are from France, we are so happy to be in New York, and it's really perfect to see snow.
While tourists are enjoying, residents seem to be worried.
It's probably about the worst I've seen. I mean, I was here at the last big storm. I think that was around 2016 or something, but it wasn't as bad as this. And the problem is when the ploughs come past, they just throw up all the snow, and there's going to be a big bank here later, you know. So I'm digging it out now to get rid of some of this.
For many visitors, the blizzard has turned into a once-in-a-lifetime memory, transforming the city into a winter postcard. But officials say the storm is not yet over. The National Weather Service has warned that heavy snowfall and strong winds are expected to continue, with travel disruptions likely to persist. Residents are being urged to stay cautious as the city works to clear roads and restore normalcy.